Alright, so you're a homeowner in Houston and you're thinking about selling your home. The big question is, should you sell it as is or make some repairs first? Let's break it down. Selling as is means you won't have to spend time or money fixing things up, but it could also mean a lower selling price. Buyers might see the needed repairs as a hassle and offer less. On the flip side, making repairs can increase your home's value and attract more buyers. Think about it, a fresh coat of paint, updated kitchen, or a new roof can make a huge difference. But it also means upfront costs and possibly a delay in putting your home on the market. Now let's talk about the Houston market specifically. It's hot right now, which means buyers are competing for homes. This could work in your favor if you decide to sell as is, because some buyers are willing to take on a fixer-upper just to get into a home. However, if your home has major issues like foundation problems or a leaky roof making, those repairs can make your home more appealing and potentially save you from negotiations and price reductions later on. So what's the bottom line? If your home needs minor cosmetic updates, it might be worth fixing up to get top dollar. But if the repairs are extensive and costly, selling as is can save you the headache and still get you a fair price in this competitive market. Ultimately, it's about finding the right balance for your situation. Talk to a local real estate agent who can give you personalized advice. And remember, whether you decide to fix or sell as is, the goal is to make the best decision for you and your financial situation. Thanks for watching and good luck with your sale.